Covenant, starring Jake Gyllenhaal and Guy Ritchie. Such an amazing movie. And I want to break down a clip. There's a clip in this movie where they jump in the Jeeps. There's two Jeeps. I guess you would call it like a convoy. And they leave the base. They're out in the middle of nowhere, okay? Desert. And you got these guys, and you don't want to stop, okay? Because once you stop, you become like a sitting duck. So they're cruising along, and the guy that they have as an interpreter, new guy, says, I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. Sergeant, we need to stop. Sergeant's reluctant, okay? He goes, basically, what is this? He's guarded, doesn't want to listen to the guy. Finally, they stop the vehicles. Okay, the guy's telling him there's something wrong here. Something doesn't feel right. Okay, there's something in my gut basically saying that we need to stop. This feels wrong. Feels like an ambush. So they don't believe him. Sergeant doesn't believe him. Doesn't think this is true because one of the guys that was working with them for a very long time is saying they need to go down this route. So he believes the guy that was with him longer, not the guy that just got hired on. They start talking. He's telling him something ain't right. Something's wrong. Something's going on. We need to do something about this. We need to go a different way. They start making calls. Hey, I need to get satellite imagery basically to find out if there's an ambush. Everything looks good, right? The other guys go up, they're looking, nothing. We got nothing, sir. We're good to go. Finally, they hear rufflage in the back. All right, so the guy gets this dude on the ground and is trying to get the information from him. He's a little busted up. There's a big, fight going on. Sergeant goes over there, basically threatens him and says, you need to get off this guy. What are you doing? He's like, no, something's wrong. He's a traitor. We got to do something about this. It doesn't feel right. Finally, the guy comes clean and says they got his family. Then they get over the radio, hey, Sergeant, you're not going to want to hear this. There's an ambush up ahead. So the moral of this story for me, what I took from it was always trust your instincts. Always trust your gut. I've had it many times in my life where I've had a situation that I could feel in my gut I needed to do something about. There's a feeling in the gut. And it's not so much up here. You want to do some logical up here. But it's more of a gut feeling like I need to go on this path or I need to do something about this. I had a situation with a house I was in. For me, it was like the best house I ever lived in that I got, okay? It's like a $400,000 house, 2,400 square foot. It was this is like fireplace. It was a great house. It was an awesome house. And I could feel in my gut that I needed to sell it. That I needed to get out of it, even though I didn't want to, okay? Because the emotional part of me was holding on to this place, but my gut was telling me, if you want to follow your true path or your true journey, you need to let go of this place because you're not going to be able to do both. And sure enough, 3 months later, house got ripped out from under me. Granted, I made a little money off the deal and things like that, but it got pulled out from under me. So me being not able to accept the truth and go, yeah, I think I got to go at this point, and not doing that and not following that kept me from following my true path. So hopefully this helps.
He gave up our position.
All right, so if you like that clip and you want to watch more, click right here. Okay, and if you want to watch me take on some challenges and train for movie roles like SWAT, Fire Department, Navy SEAL Fit Test, click right here. And if you want to watch some TV and film and just enjoy yourself, click right here.